Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jara. My very first Gucci item, authentic Gucci item. So here it is. So let's get into it, shall we? So inside of the bag is their thank you card. Looks like this. Beautiful. Take it all in, you guys. So here's the card. Here's the box. So let's unbox this together. Okay, so here we go. Beautiful green ribbon that has Gucci all over it. I'm just going to savor in the beauty. Oh, look at the paper. Look at the wrapping paper. It has Gucci all over it. Lovely dust bag. Here it is. Ta-da! This is the Ophidia GG medium cosmetic case. So, gold zipper, double GG, the green and the red web stripe here. This is the color beige ebony with the leather trim. Open her up. That's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so here's the inside. And then there's the Gucci patch there. Alright, you guys, so I'm so happy to have her in my collection, and it's really nice. Doesn't smell like anything. I don't know why I sniffed it. Yeah, it's beautiful. I love the gold GGs, and so yeah, you guys, I'm so happy. So happy. I worked real hard for her. This is really one of my birthday gifts. Right now, this is March. My birthday is not until July, so I don't want to use her until July. So to treat myself to all of the hard work that I'm putting in for myself to be able to buy such items. So I have to spread the purchases out. I can't do it all at one time. So yeah, you guys, thanks for sharing this moment with me, you guys. Until next time, ciao. Mwah.